Thank you for your past support to the International Tibet Network.
As you know, our role is to strengthen the global Tibet movement and help to increase campaigning for Tibetan people.
In 2017, we have brought Tibet campaigners from across the world together at regional conferences in Latvia, Mexico, and Taiwan.
We've reviewed our strategy to make sure our campaigns are as effective as possible and re-examined our fundamental ideas about how change in Tibet will come about.
We've supported groups in campaigns including raising the cases of Tibetan political prisoners, successful advocacy work at the United Nations, to building pressure on Liverpool Football Club for their controversial deal with Tibet Water Limited.
In 2018, we will be redoubling our efforts to enhance Tibet Movement's global campaign cooperation.
In exploring new opportunities to put China's censorship and propaganda in our own communities under pressure.
As 2017 draws to a close, and we look ahead to the opportunities to come, we draw massive inspiration from the continued resistance of Tibetans in Tibet and from your ongoing support. If you can, please give today and invest in the future of global Tibetan movement.